sunshine. Oh my goodness, look, my hair actually looks good. Like for the first time that I've gotten it cut, it actually looks really good. So look at it. What do you guys think? I can't wait to hear what you guys think in the comment section down below. But today we have June's Sephora Play Box. Now I have to admit, Sephora has been getting themselves together, and the last two boxes that I have gotten have been magical. So I have high hopes for this box. I have not peeked. The only box that I really peek with is BoxyCharm, in all honesty. And I only do that because they post on their social media. How can I avoid it? Like, I tried my hardest last month, or actually this month I was able to do it, but with that said, Sephora Play is $10 a month. Everything that you get in this box, you can purchase at Sephora. This is a makeup, skincare, beauty box. So you get hair care, you get skincare, you get makeup, all inside this box. And every single month you get a perfume sample. They changed it up so where you used to get like an actual perfume sample, but now they'll send you a perfume sample or a scented product. So you actually get 6 products in each box for $10, which is better than Ipsy, and they're all from high-end luxury products, and it's for the same price of an Ipsy. I've gotten so many different things. I've gotten bright color lipsticks, I've gotten foundation, like powder foundation, I've got a whole bunch of stuff. Never had any brushes though. That would be an interesting spin to see, get a brush in Sephora Play. But with that said, let's hop into this box. So this month's theme is, I don't know, I have to open the thingy. Welcome to Beauty Boardwalk. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Their cards have been getting so much better, let me tell you. Their cards have been getting so much better. So it says, the Tipsy Teas. What's more thrilling than a roller coaster? An amazing hair day, which is what I'm having. Yeah, so that's really cool. And in each box, I know you get points for like having, like, I know I get points when I get a new subscription sent out to me. So like every month when I get a new sample, a new box in the mail, I get points, but I don't remember how many points it is that's added to my Beauty Insider. But then you also get the Beauty Insider point pass, but you have to go in and spend money to be able to redeem the 50 points, which is stupid in my opinion. But I'm here for the bag, not to bash Sephora. So this is what the bag looks like. I love the pink. I haven't even looked at it. This is really cute. It says hot, hot, hot. I love that. That is really pretty and really super duper cute. This gives me hope that what's inside is gonna be good, because so far this thing is really cute and this is really cute. So with that said, and plus I'm having an amazing hair day, so like life is just great right now. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is bro, oh my gosh, it's from Too Faced. It's a Too Faced melted matte lipstick. I didn't wear a lot of makeup purposefully so we could test out this box. Oh my gosh, so this is shade Queen Bee. You know what we gotta do? We gotta try it on, so here we go. Okay, first thing, I know everybody always talks about how Too Faced, their lipsticks smell like chocolate. So I'm not really getting that, in all honesty. I don't really, like, isn't this supposed to, maybe I'm just wrong, but I remember people talking about how, like, the Too Faced melted matte smell like chocolate, but I might be wrong about that. It doesn't really smell like anything besides, like, actual lipstick. But also I want to mention that this looks like a nice, like, classy color. Not that any lipsticks aren't classy, but, like, this looks like a color that a lot of people could wear every day. Whereas, like, other lipsticks that I've received from Sephora Play have been, like, bright purples, which kind of limits, like, the people that'll wear that lipstick. Okay, so this is purple. A lot more purple than I expected it to be. Like, it looks more pink in the bottle. But it's not a super crazy purple, but it's definitely still purple, which means I'm pretty sure some of you wouldn't be able to wear this color. But I mean, that really only depends on, like, where you work and how strict the guidelines are. This is a very pretty color, and I'm excited to see what else is in this bag, because the first thing we pulled out is like a lipstick from Too Faced, and that's really exciting. So the next thing that I'm pulling out is from Murad. Oh my goodness. Age Reform Nutrient Charged Water Gel, oil free. What is it? So is it like pads or something? Because it says there's 3 of them in here. Let's open them up. Okay, why does it say 3? It says 3, hydrate. And then it's this little tub. Intensely hydrating oil-free water gel contains revolutionary cumulative hydration release technology that instantly binds moisture to skin and increases retention up to 5 days. Nutrients from peptides, vitamins, and minerals plump and strengthen skin. Okay, so it's a moisturizer. That's cool. I don't know why can anybody explain that to me, why there's the 3 on there? Maybe it's like step 3 in the skincare routine or something like that. So yeah, so let's open it up, see if it has any smell. Ooh, it's pink. Ooh, that's so exciting that it's pink. Oh, I got some on my nose. At least this part of my nose will be really hydrated now. It doesn't really smell anything, which I like because I really cannot breathe when it comes to using scented skincare products. They're always just too strong. I'm not hating this lip color. I kind of like it. It's not an all-time favorite, but it's not terrible. It's kind of growing on me a little bit. It doesn't look super great with my tank top, but it's not terrible. So the next thing that I'm pulling out of this bag is from Verb Sea Spray, Windset Waves, and Light Dry Texture. Ooh, I can't wait to see what it smells like. And it's a pretty blue. Okay, first, I don't know why, but this, like, looking at this made me crave the Sonic Ocean Spray. Oh my gosh, that literally smells so good. It smells like, I don't know, it's, what does it smell like? I don't know, it just smells like very clean to me, like laundry kind of. Okay, I'm gonna trust it and hope that maybe my hair will look super grandioso with this new spray. I smell, it doesn't smell like the ocean to me, it smells like clean, like fresh linen. Okay, I probably was supposed to place this on wet hair. Spray on dry or damp hair in sections using fingertips to twist and define loose curl. Dry naturally for texture and volume or diffused for amplified waves. Ooh, I'm so excited to see what my hair looks like in 2 seconds. What? Well, bro, oh my god. I keep saying bro because, I don't know, this is my word of the day, I guess. Look how pretty my hair looks. This is so exciting. Oh my goodness. And it doesn't feel really tacky. Like, there was another sea salt spray that I just, like, recently used, and it was, like, really, it made my hair feel, like, really tacky. But this is so pretty. I'm having, like, a wonderful hair day. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. This is such an amazing moment. This literally looks so pretty in my hair. Oh my gosh. Okay. So far, we have, like, 2 pretty big hitters, and there's 3 more things in the bag. I'm really excited. Okay, the next thing that I'm pulling out is Sephora. Thank you for an amazing month. This is from Clinique. Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for lids, lashes, and lips. Look how large this is. I have received very small samples of micellar water from Sephora, like the actual like Sephora brand, and this is from Clinique, and I know Clinique is way more expensive than the actual Sephora brand. And look at the size that I got, and it's this really pretty purple. Look how pretty these colors are together. How could we hate this? This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is micellar water from Clinique. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. Now the test is to get it open. Does it smell? No, it doesn't smell, but I want my hair to be this color purple. That's my dream hair color, is purple. But look how large this is. It's from Clinique. I recognize all of these brands so far. I have received the Ghost Oil from the Verb a couple of times from Sephora. The next thing that I'm pulling out is from Makeup Forever. Oh my goodness. This is the Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation. You're telling me that I got a liquid foundation in my bag? It was a little like pulling apart when I like pulled it out of the bag, but I mean, I could attribute that to shipping. So, oh my god. So we got a little sample of foundation, which is like way larger than like an actual sample. Like this is larger than a sample. I have foundation on, but we can like blend it out. Oh my gosh, that's actually a really close match to my actual skin tone. Can you guys even see where I put it on? Yeah, I mean, I can if I like move it in the light. But wow, okay. What shade is this? R230. So I got a foundation sample from Makeup Revolution. Oh my gosh. I really wanted to try this foundation out, and I always forget to ask for samples when I'm actually at Sephora. So maybe like Sephora read my mind and was like, girl, we got you. And literally, okay, I know there's one more thing. So before I flip out about how amazing this box is, let's pull out the last thing. Maharo Hair Care Nourishing Cleansing Cream. So this is a nourishing cleansing cream, and this is a deep treatment butter. So I guess this is the shampoo, and this is like the conditioner. I've never heard of this brand. I've never seen this product before, but it's really cool. And I mean, like, it's a foil packet, and I honestly feel like in subscription boxes, foil packets are such a cop-out because, like, look, all of these other things I can use multiple times. However, This is a one and done, and I feel like I'm not gonna be able to really get to know if I actually like the product, or if it actually does anything for me personally before, like, you know, like I only get one and done. I don't know if it's gonna work for me because I can't use it more than once. It's like I have to form an opinion within one shot, and that's just not how I work. And so I feel like these are really cheap and kind of a cop-out. But I mean, the rest of the bag itself is literally, like, it's literally so well-rounded, and it's from a brand. Wait, hold on. 1, 2, oh geez, I dropped it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there are 6 products in this bag, but all of the other things that I received, the rest of the other 5 items that I received are from brands that I know and are like good, decent sample size, and 2 of them are like really high, like skincare brands. Like I feel like Murad, I mean, Murad isn't as expensive as Clinique in my personal opinion, but I'm probably wrong on that one. But I mean, look, we got a giant sample size of micellar water. We got moisturizer from Murad. We got a lipstick from Too Faced. We got foundation sample from Makeup Forever, and we got a sea salt spray from the Verb. So not only is like, okay, wait, hold on. Okay, skincare, hair care, and then makeup. So they really went in and they like pulled something from each category, and they pulled from brands that I recognize, and they pulled from like, I mean, these 2 products right here, like the Makeup Forever HD foundation is one of their best sellers, and I know the Melted Matte lipsticks from Too Faced are one of their best sellers. So I got like 2 best-selling samples, and this sample matches so incredibly well. I'm like shocked at how well this matches my skin. I know I filled out a beauty profile, but like they got that down pat, and I'm like so incredibly shocked. I don't know if they like sent everybody that shade. I would assume not, because like I had to fill out a beauty insider profile to like get my box, and everybody does too. So I'm going to assume that they put a shade in for like each individual box, like to match that person who was receiving it. But overall, I'm so hyped at the quality and the variety in this box, and I can't wait to see what next month's is, because this box, like, and the last 3 boxes have been absolutely incredible. I think actually what I'm most excited about for makeup is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation and the Verb hairspray, because I have to say, like, where I really paid most attention to it was over here, and I put in like a spray and I already see a bit of difference, and I didn't even really do too much work. So I'm really excited to like test this out on damp hair and see what it does for my hair. This is all stuff that I'm going to use. This is all stuff that fits into my lifestyle, and I'm really impressed, because it doesn't feel like I received crap, and it doesn't feel like they just threw a box together. I feel like somebody like actually sat down and thought this out and was like, you know, grabbed and made a really good box. So great job on this month's box of foreplay. I'm so excited to see what next month's box is. I'm actually really glad that I signed back up. So I want to hear what your guys' thoughts are about this box in the comment section down below. What did you receive in your Sephora Play box, and what did you think of mine? I can't wait to hear from you guys. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.